In today's video, I will walk you through how to get your Xero certification. To begin, open your web browser and search for Xero certification. After the search results appear, look for the official Xero website. In most cases, it will be one of the first results. Click on the official Xero certification link to open the certification page. Once you're on the Xero website, you'll see a list of the certifications that are available. Take a moment to look through the different options. You'll typically find certifications organized into Level 1 and Level 2 courses. These courses are designed for different experience levels, so review the available options before deciding which one you want to complete. When you've found the certification that matches your current skill level or your learning goals, click on it. This will open the course page where you can view more information about that specific certification and what it includes. After selecting your certification, you'll be asked to choose how you want to complete the course. Xero provides two different learning options. The first option is the webinar-based course. If you choose this method, you'll complete the certification by attending scheduled webinar sessions led by instructors. The second option is the self-paced course. If you'd rather complete the training on your own schedule, select the self-paced option instead. This method allows you to move through the course at your own pace while following the provided learning materials. If you choose the self-paced course, you'll work through a series of training videos along with the reading materials provided by the Xero team. Continue progressing through each lesson until you've completed all of the required course content. Since the course is self-paced, you can complete the lessons as quickly or as gradually as you'd like. If you selected the webinar option instead, attend each scheduled session and follow the course as it's presented. Complete the required learning activities throughout the webinar program before moving on to the final assessment. Once you've finished all of the required course materials, the final step is to complete the assessment test at the end of the certification. Work through the assessment and submit your answers according to the instructions provided within the course. After successfully completing the assessment, you'll receive your Xero certification. At that point, you've finished the certification process. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.